Welcome back to the Top 5s channel. Today we are featuring the top 5 inventions that could change the world. Let us know in the comments below if we missed any. Number 5. Emotional artificial intelligence. We find AI everywhere, from Google Maps to social media. However, emotional artificial intelligence takes things a step further by collecting data from faces, voices, and body language in order to measure human emotions. A lab at MIT is developing a wearable device that will gauge your mood and emit a scent based on your mood, like lavender for anxiety. Number 4. Gene predictions. In the future, health predictions could be based on a person's genome. Diseases like heart disease or diabetes might be predicted far in advance and pave the way for faster treatment and personalized medicine. Number 3. Robotics. While robots might not be anything new, the field is progressing enormously. NASA is sending robots of all kinds into space, which will sooner than later retire the profession of astronauts. Even the military is getting in on the action, with a robotic dog being put up for sale by Boston Dynamics in a few months and exciting people endlessly. Number 2. 3D printed food. 3D printing technology is advancing at breakneck speed, and the field of 3D food is the latest innovation from the space, with things like hormone-free meat being printed in labs. It works very much the same as the 3D printing filament of a regular 3D printer, with the viscous material deposited onto a surface area to create a final object ready for consumption or cooking. Number 1. Green tech. Denmark, Sweden, and Israel are leading the fight against global warming with green technology. By using our waste to generate electricity or recycled plastics to make materials that can pave roads and sidewalks. Green technology encompasses fields like energy, atmospheric, science, agriculture, material science, and hydrology, and can significantly reduce the impact of humans on the natural environment.